Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can apply this retro diamonds effect to your videos in CapCut. So here, just add your videos into CapCut. I've already add a video, someone do some makeup. And after that, here you can just go to effects. Click on the video effects and just swipe through the category and select the spark, sorry, not this one, the star, I mean star category, and just scroll down and you'll find the retro diamonds effect. Okay, this one, click on effect. Okay, so this is the result with the effect. You can always adjust it. Here you can adjust the size, amount, filter, noise, and also rotate. So I'm going to just leave the adjustment as it is. And don't forget to adjust the length to fit with your videos. So guys, that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also, click on the thanks button. Bye!